Alan Watts stands out among other 20th century philosophers for several reasons. One of them is that he wasn't just a philosopher who had very differentiated points of view from contemporary Western viewpoints, but also because he clearly embodied everything he taught, and in doing so wholeheartedly engaged in and enjoyed life. His essential message and the whole point and joy of human life, as he shared in the preface to his autobiography, In My Own Way, was to integrate the spiritual with the material. He believed that this could only be done by carving your own way, by accepting your own karma, and by following your own weird. The idea proposed by Watts about the ego or self as an isolated being not connected to the rest of the universe has given us a holistic view of the world outside of ourselves. Working from the Hindu Vedanta and other assorted Eastern works, Watts crafted a new way to view the self and the universe together. While talking about meaning of life, Alan Watts says, "The meaning of life is just to be alive. It is so plain and so obvious and so simple, and yet everybody rushes around in a great panic as if it is necessary to achieve something beyond themselves." According to Watts, the journey to finding meaning in life is to simply be alive and aware in the present moment without initiating any actions on a complex societal level. In other words, our purpose in life is to simply experience what's happening within us and around us, not looking for meaning, not creating meaning, but allowing it to become cultivated from experiencing life. Written in 1951, his words predicted modern society being increasingly led by more complex technology. The consequence, Watts thought, would be that we'll lose our connection to authentic experiences. Tomorrow and plans for tomorrow can have no significance at all unless you are in full contact with the reality of the present, since it is in the present and only in the present that you live. There is no other reality than present reality, so that even if one were to live for endless ages, to live for the future would be to miss the point everlastingly. When we look at the meaning of existence as an endless negative thought loop, we will spend life within that negative space. But that is only one tiny piece of existence that denies life to be about discovery, a continuously evolving discovery. We can live a fulfilling life of presence in this way by becoming self-aware through the experiences that surround us, instead of always trying to fulfill some nobler purpose. Do subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. And don't forget to write in the comment section about how you think if it's even possible for one to live in the present moment.